Hello, this is Zachary from Zachary 3D Print on Twitch. Welcome to this live stream. Um, let's see. This is just like all the other times. This is very new to me, so I need to check something. So let the world know that I'm live. Share on Twitter. I know. So that is out in the world. Now I can close that as well. So, hello 3D printing friends, this is Zachary from Zachary 3D Prints. You might know me from the YouTube channel Zachary 3D Prints. Today I released a brand new video and well, I'm also going to be more active on Twitch. Depending how it goes in the future and other broadcasts on Twitch, let's see for the things I want to do for today. Well, this is going to be a talk and print, but also during that time, I'm going to make sure that there are some nice things to talk about. Well, during this live stream, I'm going to focus on the Ender-7. I'm going to check for other new 3D printers that are going to be released and maybe some other things, and in the meantime I'm going to slice a model and put it on the BIQU BX to be printed. Putting some background music on. I don't know if I can do that from out of here or that I need to do something else, but hey, we will see. So my mic is on. Okay, that is nice. Hey, Bionic Nick, non-fam here. Hello, how are you doing? So nice music in the background. Hey, non-fam, I saw you on the live stream from Creality conference. What do you think about the Ender-7? Because I didn't have any time to watch that. I have kids to bring to bed. You know the drill. Oh yeah, of course. For a short moment, I was thinking, is this an IDEX 3D printer? But there were two Ender-7s next to each other, so yeah, it was kind of funny. It needs to be more proven. You mean more people needs to cover this 3D printer, make some prints with it to be able to say something about it. I mean, I saw the first one, the one that was in the front, and yeah, I was thinking, do I see two Bowden tubes? So that was kind of crazy. At the other hand, I saw people typing 250 times 300 millimeters, and I was, why are they doing that? Oh, wait, this might be a giveaway thing. Well, we know all what happened during the live stream from Joel. He got a print kind of thing out of it, but it was far from being what it should be. Was it an Ender-7 giveaway? And Gary won again? Oh my gosh, he is really lucky, because last time when I was in a Creality live stream, or when I, watched a Creality live stream, not that I was there, but I saw it, I think Gary won again. Won there as well. Are you also? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? And it can really reach 250 millimeters per second as traveling speed or as printing speed. I mean, sometimes they say, "Oh, the printer is so fast, and I can print 150 millimeters per second," and then eventually it looks only the travel distance, not even during a print. But I think they are using a higher torque stepper motor, just like the one that we see on the Ender-6. Higher speed stepper motor. But still, are they using a normal PTFE tube instead of copied corner or some other more heat resistant PTFE tube? Yeah, I think the machine looks interesting. It has linear rail, where everybody was saying something about it. Oh, why doesn't Creality use linear rails? Why don't they do that? Eventually they went for the linear rails. So hey, that's great. Is my audio okay like this? Oh, wait. So the machine itself, I think it looks interesting. It's looking massive. I think the top part of this printer is quite heavy. Was not a joke. I think my wife is watching Luki. Oh. Oh yeah, non-stick. Oh. Yeah, I know. Big stream, my stream. Oh. Yeah. I thought, I can record a video for this Friday. But what I also can do is doing a live stream on Twitch, talking about several things, and make a video out of that and put it on YouTube. By the way, do you like cars? And YouTube on cars on YouTube? Check that channel out, Goon Squad. Oh, I need to do something. I'm going to prepare another print. What do you think about that? I mean, it's Zachary 3D prints. No, it's Z3DP talk and print. So I'm going to prepare a print. Let's see if this is going to work. I am going to slice a new model. I need to see which kind of model I want to start printing. So yeah, I thought that I was using Cura 4.7, but actually it says 4.8. How's that for a change? Well, what do you think about this? Oh, it's upside down. I think it's kind of cool. No, it's not my new logo. That was a tryout for the video. But this was quite lengthy to do. So I left that part out. Really? Oh. But you should watch one time the Goon Squad. Or Goon Squad. I want to print something awesome. I want to print a bust, which I didn't print before. Oh wait, I'm going to check Waxters. What do I have there? Shall I do? Oh yeah. I'm going to do something. I'm going to do something. What do you do for the living, by the way? Bionic. Mechanical engineering. Cool. So I think that looks awesome. Let's see how this is going to work. Microphone is still working, that's great. So I'm going to print something on my BIQU BX. Shall I make it bigger? So put a little bit to the back. Orange. Oh, that's funny. Serious? Uh, let's do it like this. Oh, it twisted. Okay. So we have another viewer. Welcome to the live stream. Thanks for joining. Thank you for hanging out. So I'm going to print something on my BIQU BX, and I'm going to use a different kind of filament that I have never used before. It's going to be PLA, but so I can remove that close. So let's slice this and put it up on for printing. So my audio is okay. Can somebody confirm that, please? Maybe too soft, maybe too loud. Can you hear the music pretty well? Just a second, I'm going to grab new filaments. Okay, audio is good. Thanks. So 11 hours and 2 minutes. So I'm going to save it to the removable disk. And we are going to do eject. Let's do the proper way, right? Sometimes I just pull out the SD cards, you know, because I need to do a SD card swap. And especially when I'm using the SD card for my camera, it's better not to do that, but yet it happens. Oh well. Who can say something about it? Yeah, my MacBook, of course. Just a second, we are going back to the other screen. Hoppa. So I'm going to grab some filament. In the meantime, I'm going to start up the printer. You can still hear me. Let me move it. So we lead the printer up, preheat both. So then I go one step back, heat the nozzle, start up to 10, that is okay. SD card is going into the SD card slot. So here I have filament from everyone, and it's the marble PLA filaments. They sent it for free to review it, so hey, let's start the review process, shall we? Look at that. Everyone. Menu. Movement? No. Settings? No. Okay. Okay. So like that, then we are going to load new filaments, brand new filaments. So, whoop. What do you think about the rolling? Yeah, black filament against black extrusions that. I think that bridge was more than enough. Prints from the SD card. So that one is done. Up. So now it's going to do a G29. No, I have seen better rolls of them. My glasses are dirty. Where is that thing? Oh, over here. Yeah, I could buy a Thinker SE for a reasonable price, but they say it might be damaged. Oh. Buying from who? Oh. Okay. Yeah, you know, I was in contact with BIQU BX. I heard somebody returned a B1, and the thing was that I had contact with different kind of people in order to get a returned 3D printer, and I want to make a video out of it. What issues can be on a 3D printer? Why people are returning such kind of 3D printer, you know? So yeah, from that point of view, I was trying to help in this case BQ out with doing some little investigation to see what happened, where the cause was. Because sometimes when people are, yeah, not very familiar with 3D printers, or you know, they can make some little damages, or some, you know, tightening some screws too hard, or maybe the eccentric nut was not correct. You know, those kind of little things can, you know, stop somebody from having fun in 3D printing. Um, oh, um, yeah, I also had a problem. I think you saw it on Twitter. The big blobs on the Area 1 filament. So different kind of filament, also different kind of adhesion. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, for that reason, I use ribs. I have standard 8 lines, and when you get something like a blob or something else, and that is going to ruin the print, you can just pick it up and pull it out very quickly. So I think that that is going to run very nicely. Yeah, I have a little webcam that I used the last 3 forum build streams. Um, so yeah, it's looking how well this camera can be used for only recording this kind of footage. Can see if I can make it a little bit bigger. Something like that. You liked it? You like it like this? Nice. Rainbow filament can be very beautiful, but I never really used it myself. So it's a little unknown field for me. You have a GTEC A20M. Oh yeah, dual extruder. You have also the version with the 3. No, it's dual extruder. Yeah, you also have the one with triple extruder. Oh, cool! You're going to do that on your stream. Cool. I see here something. Oh, so. Oh, we will see if that was a good idea. Oh, so okay. Now I see what you mean. So you bought one that was a return. You're going to build it on your channel, and you will see if that is a good idea. Nice. You have paid about 30% of the full price. I think if you manage to get this printer working, I think it's a great deal. It's not bad. So let's check what is brand new in 3D printing land besides the Ender-7. Or shall we just, for the fun, look how the Ender-7 looks like? Because I did prepare something. Did you see the promotion video? The teaser video? Let's see if I can switch over. Wait. Ding ding. Oh yeah, boy. If I use the picture in picture. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. So basically, it's, yeah, I don't know how they came up with the idea to use Mars as a thing in their video. Oh my gosh. For reasons, I put the audio off. So shall I make it full screen? I hope it doesn't give any problems. So yeah, this is Twitch. This is Twitch. I see what is going to happen. So the introduction looks very nice. At the moment that I saw the rocket the first time, I thought, well, what's this? Oh yeah, yeah, I think you might be right in that. I think it should not be about a race. So, for the sake of also a future video of this on no, we let this continue. So the linear rail looks very nice. Thanks for listening. Do you think are this the original? How did they call what's the name of the brand? The known brand on because of the linear rail. Henwin, Hyven, something like that. I also do like the animations. I think to be cancel. To be honest, just go to the first second of the frame where you can see the 3D printer. So. Oh, by the way, if you don't know it, if you are watching a YouTube video and you want to go frame by frame, use the periods and the comma. Now I'm using the dot, the period. So yeah, basically this is also what we saw on the stream from Joel. Very beefy 3D printer, 3030 aluminum extrusion and a 4080 aluminum extrusion called U-beam. And within this U-beam you have a still one stepper motor with a lead screw. I don't know if this is going to be great. Exactly like that. There are so many people always saying and mentioning that this kind of system use two lead screws to make sure that you are having more stability on your cantilever bed, because it's, you know, it's better. And using those two big 3030 beefy beams to guide it, for example, or but they're also stepper motors, you know. For example, you are right in that. Nobody can see the chat, right? Okay. So just like mentioned, the aluminum extrusions are at the right place missing. The aluminum extrusions are at the right place, just missing the wheels. I think that is a totally correct comment on that. But yeah, I think that would work, you know? I think if people are going to buy this machine, this is one of the things that they might do as a mod. Did they, by the way, mention any price of this machine? So, yeah, a very heavy base. I think it's quite heavy. 699 US dollars. Okay, so the printing volume 250 times 250 times 300 millimeters. Printing speed 250 millimeters per second, not traveling speed, right? So linear rails on this machine, still using the PTFE tube instead of Capricorn tube, or better, heat resistant tube. They always say that you can print ABS with these kind of machines. ABS is printable at 240 degrees or 250 degrees. I think that is almost the point that the PTFE tube lining is going to get, yeah, bad, or it's getting worse. So I think better to use a Capricorn tube on that. I think, yeah, filament run out sensor, nice. Couple random glass bed, yellow springs, all good, looking nice. Yeah, also a dual parts cooling fan instead of one, not too bad. A 32-bit board, didn't they upgrade? Is there something like a 64-bit board instead of a 32-bit board? What do you think? So I think it looks okay. But the question, would I buy it? It's an I don't know at this moment. I was looking forward to the Ender-7. I guessed. Did I know it or did I guess it? But I already mentioned in, I think, one of the videos that they might go for linear rail. Did I say that? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this. Oh. So yeah. I don't know about you, but is this Chinese translated back into normal alphabetical letters? Normal letters? So dual fan, print speed up to 250 millimeters per second. Printing speed, not traveling speed. Okay, that's great. The hot end fan shroud looks similar to the CR6 SC. Didn't it have the same one? Just a second. Just a second. So yeah, as you can see here you have the exact same kind of shape on the print on the fan shroud. A cube. So it's the same thing. It's yeah, original. Yeah, you might think that they use different kind of design. Are they going to show it? Ah, I missed it. Go back a little bit. How thick you think the supports are? Because if I'm looking at this, I think similar to the door. I think they look similar, like the normal brackets on the machines that they are using. I think 3 millimeters. Yeah, something like that. As you can see right here, they use this backlash nut instead of a normal one, so you cannot really push it down by force, or that it's not going to run automatically. Linear rail. The only one thing that I don't understand, this glass bed, one of the purposes is that you wait until the print pops off. Why is this guy using a tweezer and a spatula to remove the print from the print bed? When you are using a spatula, you have the chance that your coating on the glass bed is going to damage. I know, because I have had it on my QQS Pro. Yeah, this extruder, I can see it's a longer one, so it might be the same as they use on the Ender-7, and also the same kind of metal extruder. Here they use a different kind of coupler. Interesting. Oh, as you can see, they are using a fan to cool the extruder. Yeah, it's a dual gear. Just seem like your Ender-7. So this printer, as you can see, it's an animation. How can you see that? This little bracket should have wires, or else there is no purpose for this. Makes sense, right? Yeah, exactly. That's why I meant they are actors. They don't know anything about 3D printing. You have a glass bed, just wait until the print pops off. And if you don't have the patience, upgrade your glass bed for a PEI flex sheet. Oh, here you can also see on the fan, also the same kind of fan shroud. Also with the cube. I know from the nozzle or the hot end, the cool zone of the hot end, they are using the same high flow hot end. So meaning the same kind of hot end that they also use on the CR6 SE. So it looks promising, but I still don't understand why they didn't use the auto bed leveling function in this machine as well. Huh, this machine doesn't run anyways, so it doesn't even have belts. Nozzle cavity volume 50 millimeters squared. How is that tree called? Heating block volume 4000 millimeters. Can you help me out what that millimeters 3 means? Volume of that nozzle will provide superior flow. I really want to see that. Just, I only would buy this Ender-7 just to see how fast it can print. How well it can print at that speed. When the bed is not crooked. High speed cooling fan, dual fan. Which way is it? High speed cooling fan or dual fan? I think triple. And a new unique dual fan design. There's supposed to be an N before the word unique, right? Or because of dual fan? I don't know. So high flow. Look how the PTFE tube wiggles in this animation. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. That allows rapid cooling, yeah, and Rapid PTFE tube spinning around. a, of a of a printed model during high-speed printing. So here you see the actual printer. You can also see the silicon sock that they also used on the Ender-7 Oh, and also here on the CR200B. Smooth rod looks amazing, or the linear rail looks nice. I think the belts look very durable, very thick, very high, and I think you will need that. I think the printer has a clogged nozzle, by the way. Look here. Look at that. Bang! It's at least 2 layers higher than the model in the top of the rocket. Hey, it's not rocket science, you know? Huh. Wow! It's printing in midair! Yeah. But when you are making something like that, you can, you know, just start a print of a rocket and then make the acting more realistic. I mean, they can hire me as well, and I would love to do a video, you know. I told you, it's amazing, isn't it? Yeah, it's printing in mid-air. Oh, that's basic. I'm not from the grammar, but look here, look here. Here is the gap and here's the comma. They did an amazing job. Yeah. Further. Is that plate thick or what? Wait. Just a second. So Angus one time said, when you are designing something in CAD, it's always great to use a caliper, because then you can see in real life how big something is. So let me guess, 5 millimeters? So you think that this thick the plate is? Maybe 6 millimeters. It's not so very. I don't know how thick it is, but I think 6 millimeters. Definitely not 10, but we will see. Whoa. (4260) high power motor. Aren't they not all? Yeah, I think 6 or 7 millimeters. It's looking thick. when I saw it the first time, I had to think about the E3D tool changer. Also a very thick plate. We even upgraded the motor. Which kind of motors are on the normal Creality printers? No, I cannot see it. So we are going to continue. So very nice animation. Do like it, as mentioned. Yeah, printer doesn't, computer doesn't like that. Can we see other things here? And torque during high speed printing. Yeah, that's very important. Yeah, I mean, from that, it looks nice. Any cubic use that animation on the Viper as well. But there is so much hours spent to make something like that. So for that reason, you don't see long animated promo videos. I think it's almost done. Beyond fast. Really? If I would make any suggestion to Creality, I don't know if they are going to see this or in the video that is going to be published on YouTube. If they are going to release this machine, make sure that you have also the Prusa slicer settings, the Creality slicer set. No, sorry. The Cura slicer settings, and also for some other slicer settings as saved on the SD card, because if you are going to put something like that into the open and the machine is not available in Cura or some other slices, it can be quite hard to even reach those high speeds printing. So yeah, because if you want to have a fast 3D printer that can print pretty fast, I think that you at least need to have a decent slicer profile for it, right? Print looks smooth. Didn't see any layer. Wait a second. Hold your horses. So I think this is 3D animated, so I think for that reason you don't see any layer. What is on that bottom of the rocket? By the way, By the way, look at this. Check this out. Check this out. Here, the first thing that you see is a hand in front of the camera. So the camera doesn't see that he actually is, you know, getting it off the build plate. And then, look how smooth he takes it off the build plate. And plop, it's off. Just like that. And as you can see, I don't know, can you see my mouse here? As you can see here, the surface isn't white at all. And look here, without a scratch, without even a mark that there is something printed. Yeah, exactly. If I saw it correctly, I saw on the Ender-7 machine from Sovol, I saw the prime line being printed the first time. And then going to the metal and start printing. The CR6SC, the CR6 200B, same thing. Prime line, starting print. So, yeah, indeed. That guy is a magician. Yeah, indeed. I would call it a slick video. Wow, Dad, it's so smooth. I do need to say the landscape on the you know, on the video looks very nice. What? Oh. Questionable. Yeah, one time I said they have to actually use some people that really know how to handle a printer. A lot of jump cuts. Yeah. So yeah, I think printer looks nice, but you know, to actually judge it, we need to have it in our own hands. $700. I think I would need to pay something like 600, something like that. I don't know what the rates are for the exchange. So, do we have some other 3D printing news to gather? Yeah, it came as a surprise. Do I have JGmaker here? JGmaker. I do have it somewhere. R2 JGmaker. I do have it. Why? I'm not going to use it. So, Kickstarter. Kickstarter? Is it going to be on Kickstarter? So $4.99, and also a resin printer. So JGmaker, the new independent dual extruder for $4.99. Are you out of here? Are you out of your mind? And also the G6 LCD 3D resin printer. Does this IDEX 3D printer of them have a different name? Something like Pro? What was it? I know the Artist D. Yeah, here it is. The Artist D Pro from JGmaker. I'm going to look that one up. Just remind me on that, okay? Okay. So the JGmaker Artist D Pro, $4.99, $5.99. Sorry. Shipped from the USA, from Europe. Do I get a euro price on that? No. Yes, not. So let's see. In comparison with the Artist D, the previous IDEX 3D printer of them, 340 millimeters, the printing volume, and the new one is exactly the same. Really? So one improvement on this Artist D is a touchscreen instead of a LCD display and a control dial. The power supply unit is a Meanwell power supply unit instead of a normal standard power supply unit. And we have as stepper drivers, motor drivers, I don't know, the TMC 2209, a 32-bit board. The old version was the TMC 2208, also a 32-bit board. I don't know how much difference there is between the 2209 and the 2208. Layer resolution is 0.1 millimeter, layer thickness 0.05 till 0.3 millimeters. The stock nozzle diameter is 0.4. I think the normal standard indeed. Nozzle temp is smaller or equal than 245 degrees Celsius. For the heated bed, the temperature is smaller or equal to 110 degrees. The Creality CR200B max 100, not 110. The printing speed is between the 10 and the 120 millimeters per second, but the suggested printing speed is 16 millimeters per second. Supported print materials PLA and ABS is 1.75 millimeters. The positioning accuracy, I don't care that much. SD cards or data cable. 15 kilograms, almost 16 kilograms. That's quite hefty machine. Yeah, so for the people who don't know it, independent dual extruder. It's also a multicolor. You can print different kind of PLA with it. But for the IDEX 3D printer, you can combine different kind of filament types. For example, you can print PLA or water soluble material, or maybe a combination between PLA and ABS, or PET-G carbon fiber, or some ASA, depending how the thing is going to be. But I think most of the people are going to use it for multi-color printing instead of multi-material printing. So you have single mode, you have dual extruder model, dual extruder mode. I think that they mean that they add an L and you have a different kind of word. Mirror mode, so thing in the opposite. Double mode, so printing identical things. Ultra silent motor driver. So not silent, but ultra silent, but still you hear the fans. Water soluble support material, very nice. Magnetic spring steel plates. And also the cool thing that you can quick hot end replacement. Nice. So this is also a direct drive. You can use the knob here to tension the tension on the wheels or on the gears. So the heater block is held with 2 screws to the whole hot end part, but this screw and this lever, this button, make sure that the nozzle can be exchanged. Oh, 2209 can do sensorless homing using this stepper to direct collision, stepper to detect the collision. Okay. Quickly assembly. Yeah, we saw it in Joel's stream. Linear rail only for the x-axis, but uses the V-slot rollers on the aluminum extrusions for the other axis. Thermal runaway protection enabled. Is that needed to, to say it? I mean, it should be a standard. Dual clean brush, that is one thing that JGmaker also used in the previous version. Filament Run Out detector, I think on the old one is S. On the previous version, you also had a filament run out sensor, so far as I know. Yeah, all certificates that you can look up for which part of the world you live, that you can show that it is safe to use it. Okay, so for $5.99 US and ships from USA, Europe, UK, Australia and Canada. Nice. So also you say the Sovol, look it up. Sovol. Sovol 3D. I didn't have Sovol in my list of printer brands. Let's add it there as well. Bookmark. Printer brands. So yeah, this is their newer machine. Yeah, this is the newer. Pre-order. Sold out. So let's go through this. Oh, a dryer box, a double dryer box. Nice. Shipping notice: the first 50 orders will be shipped on the 15th of July. The second batch, no quantities limitation. Order ID above will be shipped 30th of July. After shipping, 30 days for delivery. Okay. Sovol SV04 first look. Filament Run Out Sensor. Okay, that looks weird. So, so this printer uses the 2040 aluminum extrusions to guide both carriages over the x-axis. Normal belts. They also use the buckets to clean the nozzle. They use the pancake motors for the direct drive. That looks nice. A 5015 fan to do parts cooling. A nice LCD touchscreen. And when I see this one, I need to think about the CR6 SE screen. Looks very, very similar. 4 different print modes: single, dual, mirror modes, and duplication mode. Nice. So it's independent dual extruded metal Titan direct drive. Yeah, was it Titan? Oh yeah, it's a Titan. A Titan clone from E3D. What more do we have? Auto leveling. Does it have auto leveling? Does it have auto leveling? Oh my gosh. Just a second, I'm going to grab some more to drink. I need to see that. Just a second. So I'm back again. 4 different print modes. Silent board, large building volume, 300 times 400 millimeters. No, 430. Oh my gosh, what was it? Oh. Did I see the printing volume? No. Yeah, 300 times 400. That is 60 millimeters higher than the Artist D. So 2 filament sensors. Yeah, we see. So flex plate, dual Z-axis lead screw. I think for this kind of setup you must have a dual Z-axis lead screw setup. Large SD card, always better. Belt tensioning, I did see that. So some little details here. So if I look to this part, should be there the BL Touch or a BL Touch kind of clone. Auto leveling, yeah, auto leveling. What? 3D touch auto leveling sensor on the SV04 will make adjustments to ensure the bed and the nozzle are at a optimum distance throughout printing. What? Excuse me. On the SV04 will make adjustments to ensure the bed and the nozzle are at the optimum distance throughout the printing. Huh. From what I saw, first print have BL and other one was one. We can adjust the height to match the other nozzle. Yeah, that's a principle I also saw on the Artist D yesterday live stream from Joel. The 3D touch auto leveling sensor. So there's a thing called the BL touch or 3D touch as it is in clone, if it is a clone. Creality calls their brand new the Creality touch, something like that. Doesn't really matter, but the system will be the same. You have a probe and it is going to touch some spots and then it makes a mesh in the program. So if you have one spot lower than the others, it will compensate during printing. But throughout the print, that something like that says to me that there is something like a optical eye that watches the bed, and then during the print it will keeps compensating. But if you are already printing something, so if you are already printing something and it sees something like that, is it going to print in mid-air? How does that work then? I think if they really use something like this, a eye or a camera or something like a spaghetti detector, then they should, then that is okay. But here, if they are using the BL touch, then you say it does auto leveling before the print starts, not throughout printing. Printing is a thing that you can do. The printer is printing, so it is in action already. Yeah, I think as well. Sounds, yeah, it sounds as if it does it the whole time. When you look to the image, if you manage to install something here and here so that your gantry keeps level, yeah, I totally agree. I agree with you on that. If the print is, if the printer really has something unique or somebody else doesn't have, I think the price would be higher as well. But I think they are using a BL touch to level the bed before printing. or when the printing starts. I need to see for the chat box when I do something like that. Yeah, I keep it here so everybody can see if somebody types something. Because looks silly if somebody is if I am answering somebody but they didn't see it. Okay. So, you never guess from which brand this board is. From Creality. So this is a different kind of board? It's a board Creality made. Which kind of board is this? The Creality V5.2.1 32-bit board with also the TMC 2209 silent stepper drivers. Okay, so you have here the Y and the Z axis. You have here Z axis 2. Here also for the BL touch. So okay, I see how this works. So how does this work? Because normally you would see these kind of connectors on the board. So you are going to assume that there are more those kind of connectors. Well, in this case, they only have the Y, the Z1 and the Z2 axis. And then you have those two big old IDE connectors from the early days when you still had the IDE connectors for the pins. So those 40 pins are used on both sides of the machine for the extruder, for the motor movement. So there you have it. X1, E1, X2, E2. So it's nice board. But the thing is, did Creality ever made a IDEX 3D printer? They have the board. They have the board. But yet they don't have a IDEX 3D printer. If I'm going to look now for IDEX 3D printer from Creality, you only see the mod. Or do we? So we are going to look for the images. Do we have an IDEX 3D print from Creality? I heard Joel mentioning it that the Ender-7 has a upgrade to have an IDEX. Is that from Creality itself? I think it is. So I don't see it here at this moment. Yeah, yeah. I think that Creality does a great job where when it comes to this. It's not too bad. I mean, if you have the board and you have components, why not making an IDEX 3D printer? Creality is working on an IDEX 3D printer. So I do need to say that the printing volume is quite big. They have to do something to this. This looks terrible. My gosh. So also that screen is the screen that they also used on the CR6 SE from Creality. That might be true. That might be true. Yeah. I think you're right. So a 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen. Yeah. 2 filament sensor. But from Creality point of view, they always say that they want to keep the price of a 3D printer as low as possible, and they skip the part with dual Z axis, for example. They don't want to do that. Not always. Flexible plate, always nice. Large SD card, belt tensioner for the Y axis. Don't ask me why, they just have it. 500 watts power supply unit. I think if you have two hot ends and a heated bed, I think it's very nice. This is just a regular power supply unit. So indeed, so this is an upgraded machine, a better machine. The SV02 was also a dual extruder, but uses one nozzle, and now they have an independent dual extruder. So it's you can do more. You have more printing volume. You have auto leveling. You have a silent board. The other one did have that too, but the new version has a 32-bit board. Nice. Filament Run Out Sensor and a belt tensioner, which the previous version didn't have. So I think it's a nice machine. I'm not going to complain about it. Supported materials, PLA, TPU, TPE, HIPS, ABS, PEGI, wood, PC, PA, PVA, and ASA. Cool. Nice. There was another printer that I saw passing by last week. Prime Deal Prime Day deals. Yeah, if you see this, it looks very familiar, like a Creality printer. So I think you might be right, man. But it has a Beal touch. Oh yeah, that helped. Huh. Shall we do it? Shall we not do that? Yeah, we are going to do that. 3D printer. So 3D printer sold by newest. So abandoned villages. New Zealand dollars. Nice. Yeah, the Ultrabot mini LCD I covered last week. So here are not new machines. Yeah, sometimes I see something like this, I don't know, but Spaceship Legends, what do you get? Or what are you going to back? This is a Kickstarter campaign for digital 3D STL files. I mean, if you want to sell them, you can also go to other sites for this, right? I think you can also do this something on My Mini Factory, asking money for it for selling the STL files. I do need to say that it looks very nice. Wow. We do need to say that, it looks nice. Demo ships. Free STL samples to test out. Yeah, resin printing. The Star Hero for $30. The Master Kit pledge. Do you get it? Huh? So you get 2 of this and 2 of that? Why? You don't do get. Oh, you did receive it today? Wow. Durats. So look, it's looking nice. Yeah, so basically, sometimes when I look on Kickstarter, I usually only look for 3D printers because other things I have some questions about sometimes. But I think that are genuine people selling stuff. You just got it. Wow. Okay. Shoulder left. Oh, there's something special coming very soon. Wow, there's just this one 3D printer. I know that there is some new 3D printer, but I'm still wondering which one. Mm. So the print is going fine, looking nice. Yeah, this is his Z3DP talk and print. Talking but no printing. Ain't going to happen, son. Ain't going to happen. Mm. Yeah, this Friday, hopefully this Friday, I'm going to continue with the Voron build. Did I already show that? Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. So this is the Voron V0.1 slash 0.0 partially. Yeah, it looks kind of nice. I got the, oh my gosh, I got now the right stepper motor installed. It's the LDO Motors stepper motor. It's a small pancake motor with an integrated lead screw. So, looks awesome. So, that project is going to continue this coming Friday. Yeah, it's a cute printer, you can say, yeah. So more printers. Oh yeah, let's check out for some sale. Baby Voron, yeah. Yeah, I do need to say that the frame looks very nice. And 12 by 12 by 12 or 120, 120, 120 millimeters. Oh my gosh, I'm breaking my head about this. Which printer was that? Also a new one. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm going to continue. We are going to look for 3D printers on Amazon. Shall we look on Amazon? You are in the UK, huh? Let's. Are you paying a higher price now for things out of China? Do they have some nice deals, or are they very expensive? Oh, Quebec, Canada. Nice. For some reason, I thought you were living in the UK. Non-stick. Wait. Non-fan. Oh my gosh. For a fraction, I saw non-stick. But was the other line underneath it? So the whole time I was thinking I'm talking to non-stick. Oh my gosh. Quebec. So, well, let's look to Amazon.ca. Also, by the way, I have affiliate links. I'm an affiliate partner with Amazon. Shall I sign in or shall I not sign in? Did you saw some great deals on Amazon? Oh, you don't see anything. Now you do. I said, now you do. Oh, bang. Which is your... Oh. I think now you would understand when I said, did you receive oh my gosh, the Halo 1. When you wrote that, just received it, and I was like, you are in the UK. It's now 10 o'clock in the evening, and you just got your resin printer delivered. No Amazon Prime. Well, I do need to say, I was looking on Monday, I was looking for a 3D printer on Amazon, but you know, to get it here fast, I was looking on Amazon.nl, you know, for the Netherlands. Something like, how is it called? The Tronxy, the Tronxy Core XY 3D printer. You can buy on AliExpress for 200-300 euros. On AliExpress, on Amazon.nl, this same printer is 3 times the price. You pay over 700 euros for that same printer. I know, I see how you can make profit. Huh. So, yeah, I did look into the Amazon Prime, but there was no deal on 3D printers itself. So, cool. So, like I didn't find anything. However, I saw the Sculpto 3D. The Sculpto Pro 2. I saw that one. And it was 300 something on Amazon. So, I thought, let's check if Sculpto is also selling them via their own shop. So I checked and I find a better deal. And it only cost 342 euros. So I think it's a great deal. 200. And it's their latest Scara 3D printer. So I'm very pumped about that. It's going to arrive any days. Just like the Anycubic Viper. And next month the Homegrow Robo 1. So it's going to be exciting times. I do need to check where I'm going to do the streams from, because it's getting very, packed here on the 8 square meters. So, deals. Do we see nice deals? Free gift. On a printer of $250, is that a free gift? Oh my gosh, it's the Anycubic Mega Zero 2.0. $250. And on the side of Anycubic it's $125. I'm going to check this. Anycubic, where are thou? I have Anycubic here. Come on. BIQU equipment? No. Something went wrong with the button. Ba-da-bum. Make a Viking. Yeah, I'm going to build something up on Twitch. I'm still going to stream on YouTube as well, and this live stream is going to be put on YouTube as well. So, hitting 2 flies in one blow. Oh, Anycubic. There it is. I thought, why don't I get Anycubic? So, hey, welcome, Make a Viking. Mega Series. Is the Viper still in pre-sale? Pre-order? They still have? Wow. Nice. Nice. Mega Series. The Anycubic. So. Okay. So the Anycubic Mega Zero, the 1.0 is $109 US, and the newest 2.0 is $199. How much better is that one? I don't know, but non-fam, did you see the Mega Pro? I think it has also ABL installed. You see what I mean? You see exactly the same thing on I'm going to put the chat out. As you can see here, you see also the blue laser beam on the build plate. No, it's the engraver, the laser engraver. Yeah, correct. I didn't say anything, but it very looked like it is a autobad leveling. Yeah, because we saw it on the Sovol machine. Sovol Sovol, Sovol, yeah, Sovol machine. Uh, yeah, sometimes I have this, just switching over letters. So, Anycubic Mega 2.0 is 199 on the side of Anycubic itself. What else do we have? Another Anycubic machine, of course. Mega S, how much is that? 229. Here, $400. No way. And it is the, which I think it's from the official shop. It's from the official. Yeah, it is from the Anycubic official store. Oh my gosh. And they are asking $400. Is there a difference between the Canadian dollars and the US dollars? How much difference is there? So $1 is 123 Canadian dollars. So, so in the US, this machine will be cheaper than. $399. Quite a lot. Huh? The Ender-7 Pro for $326. Wow. Wow. But this is what I see. Usually, when you buy something on Amazon, I don't know for other countries, but you will see that the seller always make the price higher to get some profit. That's how it works. But so yeah. With other machine you have here's also the Tronxy for $499. The Aquila. That machine is 259, and also Fox Lab from Mixia 6.0. Nice. Return stuff. Yeah, mostly my choices are always AliExpress, Banggood, actually the Ender-7 and also the FLSN QQS Pro. Both came from Banggood. BIQU was a Kickstarter. Then the 3 I bought via a local online shop. Look, all shops are online most of the time. Bol.com, that's a site where here from the Netherlands, it's the opposite from Amazon currently. The ANET also came from that same shop. The Ender-7 same story there, and the CR200B, that one came from also a Dutch online shop called, sorry, 123 3D print, and there I bought it for 360 360 euros, and I think it was a great deal because a few days later it was 20 $30 euros more. The shipping make it's not competitive if I buy from AliExpress or Banggood. Most of the time I'm looking for how it's called, free shipping or shipping from the same area. Which machine was? Oh yeah, the CR200B I can buy on AliExpress for a similar price, but you are going to pay also something like 700 or 800 euros for shipping costs. Really high or so? Oh yeah. Still wondering which other new machine there was. Come on. Then yeah, year 4 on kits. Yeah, the Voron kits are getting more expensive now. Do they also say which kind of kit it is? One, two, three nuts. 1, 2, 3 nuts. 1, 2, 3 nuts. Yeah, that makes sense. Meanwhile, electronics. What? pocket watch? So what we have more on here. Ooh, the Kaiwu 3D. Oh, and it's the max as well. 300 by 230. And free shipping. Oh my gosh, really? €111? Wat was dat? Wat was dat? Tot dadelijk. Kaiwu. Looks nice. Very interesting. The Tycoon Max. Nice printer. Oh, Hywin. Hewin. Oh, by the way, non-stick, Make a Viking. A few weeks ago, Joel did a live stream for the Globeforge, and I was really curious, and I thought, how much does this machine cost? Oh my gosh. Yeah, non-fan. So I looked it up. $5,000 and more. Oh my gosh, it's so expensive. Okay, so I'm going to put the language to English. A plastic rail for free? What can you do? Wow. So length 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000 millimeters. Nice. Let's say 300. And what's the difference? Can somebody tell me what the difference is with color? Is that the size of the carriage? In the meantime, I'm going to grab a drink. And I need to make something. Duplicate. That's it. What? Oh, what happens? Just trying something out. Okay. Okay, so that doesn't work. No transition in there. So let's see. Finally, oh, sorry, I'm studying during my. Yeah. So here on Ali, you don't see it. Not smart. So the length of the guides I do understand. You know, not so very difficult, but so yeah, AliExpress always say color, but you have different kind of MGNs. Is that how big they are in length or in height? Can you tell me something about it? Because I might do a linear rail upgrades on the Ender-6. Don't spoil it. I'm not going to spoil it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to take another. How large is the rail? Well, for example, 300. 15 wide. Okay, so. Okay. Oh, I've got a great example. So, this Voron is also linear rails. I would guess that they use the MGN12 as in 12 millimeters. No. So the width from the carriage of the rail itself. So because the rail itself is 7.37 millimeters. I think they also say it here maybe. So you have the MGN series, the MGW series, the HGH series. What? Okay. Okay. So the width is W2. So my rail is 7. So it can be the MGN7C or the MGN7H. Oh my gosh, that, oh. So the MGN7 or the MGN7H. N. N? Do we have N? Yeah, N is 5. Yeah, I measured the WR, and the WR is 7.3, and that is, yeah, that's, yeah, 7.3. So that is basically the width of that one. So it's the MGN7. So yeah, it makes totally sense. Yeah, exactly. So if I would buy linear rails for my Ender-6, just a second. Oh. Yeah, that's depending on where to go, but usually the width is, I think 12 would be nice. So I think for the Ender-7, the Ender-6 is going to be the MGN-12. Maybe 15. I think the 15 is better suitable. I think also the rail is thicker. Make a Viking, thank you for the follow. You are amazing. Thank you. What's the whole diagram here? So if I would buy this linear rail, would fit nice. I'm going to grab another ice water. Didn't I do that? So yeah, I have a wireless one still. Linear rails on your printer? Yeah, by the way, I also need to have more scenes on this Twitch channel. The bus looks nice. It's going very fine. Hey, the Darkly Spectre, welcome. Belgian here. Is this a known Belgian? Hey Zach, oh, yeah. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm streaming on Twitch. Davey, yeah, cool, awesome, nice to see you, man. Yeah, I'm going to stream more during the week. I'm going to stream more during during the week. I will be streaming more on Twitch. I'm planning to do more. I'm planning to do some videos on the YouTube channel itself, but using the saved streams, I'm going to put that on YouTube channel as well. So yeah, cool, awesome, nice to see you. So linear rails, yeah, I'm thinking about it to upgrade my Ender-7 to a how's it called? The Maker 6. Maker 6. The Ender-7. I'm going to upgrade them with linear rails. Do need to check how I'm going to do that. It's not rocket science. But before that, I'm going to make just 2 or 3 other videos, and then I'm going to go for. Oh, thank you for the follow. Awesome, thank you. One of the videos is going to be to see if you can get the carriage faster and again see faster over the X and Y axis plane. See how tighten those belts, or how tight those belts are, and the carriages. So, but currently I have so many things that's standing in the way. So this coming weekend, I'm going to make some room inside of the attic, making some official place to do actually videos there. So maybe I'm going to do a little stream from the attic. Who knows? So I need to make a desk and put some printers there as well. I still have the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro here in the leather cupboard, standing and doing nothing. I still have a washer cure station inside of the box. I cannot do anything with it at this moment because I have no room. The 8 square meters are getting too too packed. Television next to me. When I'm playing some video games, I can use that screen. So yeah, cool. So yeah, linear rails. I'm going to buy them soon, but need to check which are the best suitables. I'm thinking about the 15. What is it going to cost me? 15. See, I think I need to have the 15H. Yeah. 300 millimeters. 15H. What? 4 pieces? 5 pieces? Nothing happens? Smaller is lighter carriage. I'm going to upgrade the Ender-7 with the Hemera. I don't get any price. Oh, I think I understand why. So if I put it on 15 and 300, so 40, 14 euro 20. Yeah, cool. But a plastic rail for free? Why should you get a plastic rail? Strange. Other, uh, Davey, do you know if there are more new 3D printers? There is one that I. Oh, wait. I know. Yeah, scented filament. Yeah, I know. I saw that as well. Um, just a second. I have to do something. Ba, 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 ba. Beep, 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 beep. So this is my Voron. Oh, this is how far I came. And this Friday I'm going to continue with it. But I make a Viking. I just received yesterday my smaller stepper motor with integrated lead screw. I was looking for it on Monday. I ordered it on Monday, and I just to see. Just doing something here. Yeah, that is tiny. 12, 12, 12 for 120. But this is 2 centimeters in every direction bigger than the EZ3X1. But the difference is that it can print faster. And if I can get some, and if I can get some 1515 aluminum extrusions, there is a printer coming back onto the channel. So yeah. So that is done. I know. So the Magician X. Yeah, so I'm thinking about it. If I can get aluminum extrusions 1515, I can revive my EZ3X1 and make it into a tiny beefy 3D printer. Something like that. Something to go crazy on. I'm printing with marble filament from Airy1. And you know, I was looking for a bust to print, so it's going to be Elon Musk, the Godfather of Doge. Yeah, I bought some more crypto on VOD. So, yeah. Now it's low, it's at 0.5, so I have now something like 264 VOD. So when it is going up, who knows, right? How's your crypto going? Because I didn't see so much good things. ADA was dropping, so I'm not doing anything with that. So the Mingda. So the Mingda Magician X out the level. Pre-order. So yeah. So this Magician X, it's a newer machine, the follow-up of the Rock 3, I guess. This has also a special outbed leveling. I think non-fam knows what I mean with that, right? Leveling free. What does leveling free mean? If I show you this kind of picture, what do you think? Yeah, Bontech clone with a BIQU hot end. Yeah, I think that too. Mingda D2. Yeah. Oh, you know that already. So no traditional BL touch, no manual leveling by screws. So I think based upon this picture, indeed, you gain a robot hand. It's going automatically. Boop. One step to assemble. 6 screws. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 6, 5, 6. And you don't need to connect any wires? Wow. So I don't know how this works, but only 6 screws and you're done. Right? Yeah, typical Chinese printer advertisement. Ultra silent printing. 5 TMC 2208 step drivers. Silent step drivers. Upgraded fans of extruder. Yeah, fan of extruder. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Nowadays you have 2209s. I mean, Creality use them. Generation carborundum glass platform. Hmm. No warping, strong adhesion, easy to remove. Ooh. Really? You can put it on the left and you can put it on the right. Or right, left, left, right. More features inside Filament Run Out Sensor. Cool. Yeah, yeah, but Creality also has cover random glass bed. Or the brand, which shall not be named. Dual Z axis with synchronous belt or just timing belt. Keep the layer shift away. Okay, whatever you say, Jack. I think, based upon this screen, this looks like the how is it called? The BIQU Tech screen inside. 3.5-inch color touchscreen, easy to operate. Forget the knob control. Wow. Hey, this is nice. A built-in toolbox. Not a drawer, just a toolbox like that. Sheet 2 software. Yeah. Layer shift is going like this, you know? This a layer shift. Yeah, layer shift. Yeah. Hell no. Belt tensioner on the X and on the Y axis. Great. U-Disk, SD card, and USB-C. So, okay, you have a choice. Nice. Ah, oh yeah. Oh, that is so true. If the printer is working and you need to grab something. Oh my gosh. That's a good one, non-fan. Non-fan. Okay, so building volume 230 to 30 times 260. Single extruder 0.4. Printing speed lower than 150. Recommended between the 50 and 80 millimeters per second. Nice. 350 watts power supply unit. Machine is not so very heavy. It's below the 8 kilo. Nice. I will look for that. USB-C. You're absolutely right. But that you have the possibility to choose if you want to use a thumb drive USB or a SD card. And a normal size SD card. Not those tiny cards. Okay, looks nice. They all, you know, the funny thing is, they always or most likely put the filament spool holders always on the top. What if you want to put the machine inside of something? You said more like the D2. Also not too bad. They also sell resin printers. K3. Yeah, I think Davy, that is true. It's actually their CR6SC. How is that printer working now for you? Ba-da-ba-bum. Yeah, my BIQU BX is wasn't also printed for a while. Was doing other things, and since this week, I had problems with using the right slicer profile that I could use. Because it was the BQ, I went for the B1. The B1 profile on QR 4.8, and I found out that that wasn't working very nicely. Got some bad prints out of it. Then after that, I tried the Ender-7 Pro profile, and that one is working pretty well. So yeah. You still don't have your BIQU BX received. It's strange. How many people still didn't receive their BX? Do you know that? Yeah, I think I was also in the second batch. But you mean second batch with people that ordered extra things with it? If so, do we have some other 3D printers that are brand new? Was I in batch 1 with... I want to check this. I was BIQU 522, I guess. You pledge. I was BIQU... Yeah, 522. Oh, Okay, so okay, I understand. So because I didn't order anything extra, I'm in the first batch. But still, it's so stupid that it's still not shipped. You know, it's shipped, but still somewhere standing. Hmm. Yeah, it's crazy. It's I think it shouldn't be so long waiting. I backed the JLabo G1. I know it is going to be late, or it's going to take a while before they can ship it. So, but half year late. It's and you ordered it on you backed the Kickstarter campaign in the first few hours or first hour. My hair looks fluffy again. I had a shower. I always have those dry eyes after taking a shower, you know. Later on, I regret it. Um, yeah, yeah. I heard that you were very quickly with that first few minutes. Yeah, I can't remember that you said something like that. But we should meet one time. Waiting till you have also received your vaccine or somewhere in September. Let me know when we can meet up. Because I still have something standing here for you to give to you. You mean? Oh, next month. I would love to come to you. Or if you would like, you can also come to me. But I wasn't never so far in Belgium before, by the way. Okay. Yeah, I will get mine in June, July. Good. You have dogs. How many dogs do you have? Okay, cool. Collies. Yeah. 2 colors on one printer. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to make something like that into a logo for my channel. Well, a color change G code in Cura, and it was also printed on the BX. Well, I do have a fancier one. Did you saw the picture on Twitter? That QR code. My wife said, "Oh, it's not working. It's not working." And I said, "What is not working?" "Yeah, the QR code keychain." I said, "Why?" "You have to see it like this. A QR code is always two-dimensional. So if you have printed in black in on a 3D printer, then you have to make sure that it is clear to take a picture, not in a little angle, because that can mess up the yeah, the QR code." Okay, non-fan, non-fan. See you later, and you have an exam. Well, fingers crossed. You can do, man. So she wanted to let somebody scan the logo, and she said it wasn't working. And I took mine. I took a picture of. I held my phone in front of it. I said, "Here, it's working." But there needs to be good lighting, and you also make sure that to scan it as straight as possible or perpendicular to the QR code. But hey, it's a nice thing. Yeah, it's basically the same principle with this one. It's I think layer 27. Layer 27 for this one on layer 27 made the filament change from black into white. But I do need to say, both files were on the SD card, and what I did, I printed the QR code on white with black letters, and after the print is done, I'm printing this one. So it changes the filament from white to black again, or black to white again, and then I repeat the whole process. So I can make several of these in the same kind of color, and then the other one with the color changed. Ah, nice. Good to hear. I have several things that I want to do. I still have the mosquito hot end laying here, which I still want to install. The printer that I'm going to use it for is going to be most likely on the Ender-7 V2. You need to give... Oh, okay, good. Is it going to be a long feedback or... do something here. Can I do that? Oh. That one. Let's see. Yeah, I want to have it there. Added a new scene to the party. So how long was your supposed to review period or your testing period? How much time do you have normally for that? I think when you are working with a mount, I think the mutant could be something. I don't know. Week or 2 or 3. One second. Checking. Source. So I open in my new studio, my new room on the attic. I hope at least to have decent enough room to put a lot of stuff there. Have a nice organization that it is on the places that I want to have it. Maybe not in the beginning. In the beginning, it's still also moving stuff around. We have a huge container where we can put our old stuff in and throw it away. I have till mid of July till that one is going to be gone. So yeah. I didn't receive it. The first email. Huh? Yeah, you know, I have many plans, but still need to have some decent room to work everything out in a decent manner. So yeah. So I think after now 3 hours, I think I'm going to end this live stream soon. Oh really? They did? Oh my gosh. Oh, I mean, if those Chinese companies really want to have those things, they need to wait until it is available to buy. I know from a certain company, which I am not going to mention the name, the fire hazard company. I was contacted by one of them if I was willing to send my CR6 SE to them, and they offer a higher price than standard price is going to be. I said to the lady, if you have seen my videos, you know that I don't have the machine. It's crazy. And I say, hey, listen, I do want to help you out with selling your machines. Send me one. I really would like to do a review, give some things that you can work on, or give some feedback that you can work with. Never heard from them again. And they also are willing to help small YouTube channels with sending a free printer so that it is going to be reviewed and used, you know. It's cool, it's nice. I mean, the ET4 did print nice, but at one moment it doesn't work, or it doesn't work properly. So yeah, it's crazy. Or when companies contact you, they ask if you want to do something, you are going to do it, and after that you don't hear anything of them. I don't mind companies asking me questions. Everyone also did. Mingda also contacted me. Yeah. Last thing I heard from Mingda was that they said, well, we are going to discuss it internally. And yeah. Last time I heard of them was 4 weeks ago, I guess. So I guess it's not going to happen, so okay. The funny part with iFactory, during the whole Kickstarter period, or the Kickstarter campaign period, I supported them as much as I could because it is a company in Germany. I think they were very legit, very, very, how do you say that? Such a word. They were very, yeah, trustable. I think you know what I mean. So trustable. So I spend quite a lot of time doing things to, you know, make more aware for this printer. If they ever going to do another Kickstarter campaign, I highly would suggest them not to use the same kind of method they used on the iFactory one. You know, after so many time, we are going to raise the price. The best thing is just to have a several units with that price, several units of that price, and several units of that price, you know. But on the end of the Kickstarter campaign, they wanted me to be in their live stream as well, at least be on, what was it, StreamYards. Cool, nice, no problem. So I was supposed to get any package with shirts, stickers, or some other stuff in it. No printer at all. Okay, I understand machine is expensive, so yeah. And I in the beginning I asked for a review unit to actually do the whole thing, you know, unboxing, first print, do some other prints with it, and then review it, and then send it back to them. You know, extra airtime. But they want to, you know, share a printer with somebody who already was going to get a test unit. So yeah, I still didn't get the package with the shirt and the stickers. Now somebody else is sending me stickers of iFactory. So yeah, I don't mind to do stuff for companies, but I think that's the part where YouTubers have managers for, and also forcing that when you are going to walk a certain path. I had contact with PCBWay, and I, yeah, maybe, or differently. But if I hear how they treat some people, I think it's not good. They said you are the ambassadors of the iFactory 1. Yeah, they can be, but you make sure that those first shipped units are the best ones, and improve where the feedback is positive or negative, you know, something like that. Because, for example, if you look to the machine from Creality, it they both were on the same kind of period. Okay, so the CR6, the CR30, the 3D print mill, they were on, yeah, the same period. But now you can already buy the CR30. So yeah, I asked iFactory. I asked them if there is a possibility that I can buy one belt printer from them. So I came in contact with a certain person, not no Arthur, no Martin, somebody else. I think sales department, something like that. And I can buy the iFactory 1 for a little bit more than 1,000 euros. But that's a good one. Yeah, they offered me that and 3 to 4 weeks delivery time. So I said to this person, or I wrote to the person per email, because you still like your Airy One ER20. I think the printer, when you unboxed it and did the first print, I think it did an amazing job. Very positive as well. Good vibes on that printer. So yeah, I said to the person, because after a few weeks or 2 weeks, he didn't receive any answer, and so he asked me if if the offer was scaring me. So I asked to, I said it's I think the price is very high. I understand that the price is high, but it's out of my budget, so nope. Mm-hmm. I also did 2 videos or did 2 promos for PCB Way. Then you say this video is sponsored by PCB Way, but the fact is, both of those videos never got paid by PCB or PCB Way, because I made the video after the lady said it's okay, it's thing. I put it on online. Good question. I'm going to look for that one. And I did the second video with a little bit different type of advertisement for that. And after that, I didn't hear anything. After, I think, 4 months, 3 or 4 months, I received some feedback via WhatsApp. And yeah, a lot of talk, but she says, well, if you can use it within your project. I was like, I don't do that much with PCBs. I can design a PCB maybe in the future, but at this moment I don't have any reason to make my own PCBs. How much does the CR30 go for away? Well, that's a good question. We shall see. First, Creality. CR30. So it's only shipping from China. So if I do Germany, I still get euros. Or dollars, I mean. So 1,050 US dollars, 8 available. 200 for a splice bracket set. So so Banggood is costing so the CR30 is costing 748 euros. China shipping, you pay 80 euros more for the shipping. So when you choose for GWTR, I don't know which kind of country that is. Expected to ship before the July 5th, and you pay 41 euro extra, but the printer is going to cost more. almost 900 from out of China. So from China, you have a lower price. I saw that one was just $1,000, which, yeah. So, yeah, it's crazy on the side. I think if you are going to translate $1,050 to euros, I think you are lower in price. Yeah, it's not from European yet. I think I hope it's going to be shipped sooner. Here, for example, I ordered the stepper motor from LDO Motors. I ordered on a shop in Estonia, and I paid for DL shipping, courier, 30, almost 30 euros extra, and I received it next day. So around 12 o'clock, no, around 11:30, I placed the order. A few minutes past 12, I received the notification that it was shipped, and 3 hours later, I received from DHL that the parcel was already on its way. And the next day, in the morning, I received the package. How fast is that? So, yeah, which online shops? Projects? Lector. Oh, wait, I wasn't, oh my gosh. That is so bad. It's so funny. I wasn't even sharing my screen. So this is the site where I ordered the Voron parts. I think it's specialized in Voron parts. Mechanics. Ooh. Interesting stuff. Bear upgrades. Rainbow bear upgrades. Looking so cute. It's a cool site. Oh, the Voron V0. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Tax included. Cool. It's looking nice, right? Yeah, not only Vora, I also see some other parts. But bear upgrades, Zaribo, refurbished? Was refurbished. Oh! That one I also still need. Here you can buy a Voron kit for less than 700 euros. Out of stock. Mechanics. Plastic parts. You know, buy whole kits. Oh. Ooh. Nice. That is nice filament. That is looking nice. Rainbow filament. Ah. Last items in stock. Nice colors of filament. Nice. Cool. They have also fetus? They have fetus. Oh. So more CR30. I know from 3D Jake. They sell them too, 1100, but oh, it's a reservation. BBD, BBD. Cool. So, I'm going to close the live stream. It was a lot of fun. We talked about many things. Yeah, follow me on Twitter. No, follow me on Twitch. Twitch.tv/Zachary3D You can also follow me on or subscribe to the YouTube channel Zachary3D if you are not subscribed yet. And hey, let's make awesome things with 3D printing. Zachary 3D Prints. Bye bye.